These workshops we're offering through WISE gives people an opportunity to taste a range of art forms, from drumming for health, creative writing, the visual arts, storytelling. So a whole lot of different things that they can then go on to do as an important part of a social prescribing programme. And there's something about using creative methods that inspires people to make positive changes in their lives.
I think it's got a huge amount of potential, because I think that, we all need something in our lives to look forward to each week. I think we all need to have contact with other people. We all need to learn new skills. We all need to have fun, relax, maybe challenge ourselves a bit sometimes too. And I think the WISE workshops are providing all of that.
I came and you didn't know what to expect, but I've really enjoyed it. You could express yourself through the drumming, get back into it, and nobody was saying, oh, that's not right, that sounds wrong.
I've been doing the art and crafts, which I never would have ever signed up for, and I never thought I'd have the confidence to do it. The programme has fetched me up my shell and kind of given me something that I've achieved, and it's kind of boosted me up a little bit, which is good.
Everybody was so supportive, and it was just great. I even wrote poetry. I don't do poetry, but there we are, I did, and it was good. It was really good.
That social connection and that social prescribing, I think, is really, really important, particularly at the moment as well. Coming on the flip side of COVID, and maybe people have been quite segregated or feeling isolated. Maybe they have new health conditions they're not quite sure how to navigate. So I think the social prescribing is going to be really, really important, and putting people in touch with like-minded people and finding those connections again.
The art, I feel, is almost secondary. The art's important because people are there engaged with their hands, but what's most important is there's people in the room exchanging stories, having a chat, having a cup of tea.
It's interacting with people. It's definitely that interaction and experience and getting you out of the house.